Okay, what we have here is an ultrasonic aroma diffuser. It comes with the cord, and I already have this one plugged in. And it plugs underneath here. And this is the inside. I put water in there, but if you look, there's where it tells you how full. I just put a little bit in. But this is the max. And there's the cover. Now, this one has mist and timer, so, and then light. And it's kind of all, you can run things separately, which is really nice. Like, when you have it on this, it's going to run continuously. Then with, let's see, what does the next one say? Okay, one says 10 seconds, one says an hour, and one says 2 hours. So that's the mist and the timer. Then you got the light. Now you can see that it's going. And we got it so that it's changing colors. So there's a brighter, like this color is bright, and then it dims. Like this one's bright, and then it has a dim version to it. Now you can, too, just run the lights. And it has quite a few different colors. So this is like continuous, but you can do it in the brighter, like the brighter blue or the dimmer blue. So this one, as you can see, it's changing colors as it goes. It changes slowly. The outside is made with real bamboo. So it has it looks really nice. I like the size on this one. As you see, this is what actually makes it kind of do its thing. Anyway, the size on this is really good because you can, have it for a long time diffusing, obviously up to 2 hours, or even I imagine it might even go longer than that. I haven't run it out of water yet. It, with the continuous, it does shut off when the water is gone. And let's see if I can find how long it actually does last. It doesn't say. But one of the things it does say is for the 10 seconds, it's an on and off, and it repeats with the steamer. And then with the lights, there is 8 choices, 8 different colors. It says working time is 3 hours. There we go. So this would make a great gift for anyone you know, whether you want to have this as a humidifier or just as a aroma therapy, making your whole house smell just wonderful. I really love using different essential oils in my diffusers, but always remember only a couple of drops in there, otherwise it ends up getting all clogged up and doesn't quite work. But you can always clean it up and start over. I did get this at a discount to try and then give my honest opinion. Thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.